Hey everyone, so I got a package today. You can probably tell what it is from the title of the video. We just got a drone. So I'm gonna unbox it now and then we're gonna go and take it for a flight later, which will be the first time I've ever flown a drone. So stick around for that because that's probably gonna go at best okay. Hopefully I won't crash it, but we'll see. So yeah, I got a really good deal on it. I got it from Very and I'm really excited for this. Like, you have no idea. Ugh. So. Now, the first thing I thought when I picked up the package was, this is a lot lighter than I thought it'd be, but that obviously makes complete sense because it's supposed to fly, so it's not going to be that heavy. But yeah, let's work out how you get into this. Here we go. Oh. Is there another sticker that I've missed? No, I'm just going to have to... Oh, no, here we go. Cool. Now, the first thing it says is read the manual, which I actually already did online, so I don't have to read this one. It's probably the same. You do have to be careful with all the laws and all the safety stuff that you do follow them, but I've been looking into that for a while, so... here we go. Oh, they give you multiple coloured stickers. I actually didn't know that, and I actually really like that. I think I'm going to put, not the pink ones. They didn't get purple, but maybe blue. Maybe the blue ones. DJI Care, quick start guide. Yep, read all that. That's fine. Here it is. So, how best to do that? So there it is in the box. I'm so excited for this. You have just no idea. Alright. It's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be actually, which is good. Like, much bigger, and I think that would be problematic. Here is the controller. This is probably heavier than the drone slightly, or at least it feels it right now. Wow. That is beefy. Got my camera controls on the top. Excellent. Rotors. What else is in here? It says accessories and it's got like a loop on it, but I don't know what this is for. Shock absorbers and stuff for the gimbal probably, because there's a camera mounted on the bottom and it's got a stabilization thing to keep it steady. So that's probably to do with that. And this feels like more books, but oh no, it's a charger. Should have read the box. Yeah, excellent. I do have a spare battery coming as well. You get 23 or so minutes of flight time from the batteries. I just wanted some extra time on that, so I picked up a battery. That's not getting here till next week though, so plenty of time to fly with just one for now. And yeah, cool. That's everything in the box. So we have drone, charger, cables, rotors. You have to match the colours of the rotors to the things and set it up. So I'm gonna start setting it up now, I guess, and then put it onto charge, and then I'm gonna go take it for a flight.